Animals' connection to nature has always fascinated and intrigued humans. When it comes to natural disasters, there are countless stories of animals sensing danger long before humans and taking action accordingly. This phenomenon is often referred to as a sixth sense and continues to captivate scientists and researchers alike. But how exactly do animals perceive danger? How reliable is this instinctive ability, and can humans learn to benefit from it? Throughout history, changes in animal behavior prior to natural disasters have been well documented. For example, during the massive tsunami in the Indian Ocean in 2004, many wild animals were observed moving to higher ground hours before the waves struck. These animals survived the disaster, unlike many humans who remained unaware of the impending danger. Similarly, in 1975, before a major earthquake in Haicheng, China, snakes were reported to have emerged from their hibernation and surfaced from underground. This unusual behavior was taken as a warning by locals, leading many to evacuate and save their lives. Such examples reinforce the idea that animals possess a unique ability to sense natural disasters before they occur. Scientists have explored this extraordinary ability and proposed several theories to explain it. In the case of earthquakes, it is believed that animals can detect seismic vibrations and low-frequency sound waves emanating from the earth. These signals, often imperceptible to humans, can affect the nervous systems of animals, causing them to become restless. For instance, dogs are known to bark excessively or act anxiously shortly before an earthquake, while cats may hide or exhibit unusual behavior. This phenomenon is not limited to land animals. Marine creatures are also highly sensitive to environmental changes. Fish, for example, have been observed swimming near the surface or displaying erratic movements before an earthquake. This behavior is thought to be a response to changes in the seabed or subtle shifts in water pressure. Similarly, birds are acutely attuned to changes in atmospheric pressure, which allows them to detect approaching storms days in advance and migrate to safer locations. Large terrestrial animals like elephants also exhibit fascinating abilities in this regard. Studies suggest that elephants can detect ground vibrations from miles away. They may sense these vibrations through their highly sensitive feet and interpret them as signals of impending danger, such as earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. The connection between animals and natural disasters is not a new discovery. In ancient times, humans closely observed animal behavior as a way to predict environmental changes. For instance, in Japanese culture, unusual movements of fish were seen as indicators of an impending earthquake or tsunami. Similarly, in China, snakes emerging from underground were viewed as harbingers of danger. These observations helped early civilizations survive by maintaining a closer bond with nature and its rhythms. In the modern era, scientists are working to harness animals' abilities to develop early warning systems for natural disasters. Some researchers propose monitoring the behavior of animals in seismically active areas to gather data that could potentially predict earthquakes. If this approach is refined and implemented on a larger scale, animal sensitivity to environmental threats could become a valuable tool for human safety. The remarkable capabilities of animals underscore their deep connection to the natural world. This connection serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life forms and the need to preserve this harmony. Humans can take inspiration from animals, learning to reconnect with nature and pay attention to its subtle warnings. Rediscovering our own instincts and listening to the signals of the natural world may be key not only to survival, but also to achieving a more balanced and peaceful way of life. These extraordinary abilities are not just scientifically intriguing, but also carry a profound spiritual message. Perhaps animals' behaviors are nature's way of reminding us to remain attentive and respectful of the world we share. By observing and understanding these behaviors, we can take meaningful steps toward protecting our environment and securing a safer future. Nature's signals are not just warnings, but also lessons in coexistence, resilience, and the art of living in harmony with the earth.